Hello everyone, this is the Outside World Entertainment Shaker and Davy cooking channel, and today we are cooking a pot of Guyana cook-up rice. So here we have the chicken cut up, clean, wash and clean. Add some salt, adobo seasoning, and black pepper, some soy sauce, a little bit of crushed garlic, a couple of pieces of onion and green onion with some shadabeni. So I'm not busy today, so I have a lot of time in my hand. So here I'll use fresh thyme to season the chicken. We season the chicken and we put it in the refrigerator for maybe half an hour. Add some cooking oil. Now the oil is hot and we add the chicken into the pot. And we let the chicken fry and then we'll start cooking the cook-up. And now we'll add a little bit of calf rib, Guyana calf. The chicken almost finished frying and we add the rice. The rice was washed. Add a little bit of green seasoning to flavor it. Green onion and shallot, a little bit of fresh thyme. Now we add the black eyed peas and the kidney beans, the red kidney beans, chickpeas, garbanzo, or chana, salt, a little bit of adobo seasoning, and black pepper, onion, crushed garlic, and now the coconut cream. Coconut milk. Add some water. Chicken cube. Yeah, that's it. Add a little more calf rib. And this is what we call cook-up, Guyana cook-up. In Burmese currently we call it all-in-one. Some hot pepper, spicy, make it spicy. And we cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, look at this. Cook-up rice. Coming up good. Smelling good. think in the next 15 minutes, this cook-up will ready to eat. I'll cover it and I'll give it at least 15 minutes more before I add the other ingredients. So let me check this now. Wow. Let's have a look at the cook-up here. Look, beautiful. Wow. Looking good. Smelling so good. Now we'll add some warm water in it. Just for the rice to boil. Wow, look at this. We have a look. Wow. Cook-up rice, Guyana style. All in one. Bush cook.
Palau.
So the cook-up almost finished cooking and we add some warm water into it. We don't want it to be too dry. And we'll add some okra or okra. We'll give it a few minutes for the okra to steam. Add a little bit of soy sauce to give it the color and flavor. A little more time. Remember, I'm not busy, so I have a lot of time in my hand. So I use the fresh time. Also add some green seasoning, that's the green onion and shadow beni. I'll add some poi bhaji. Add a little more poi bhaji into the cook-up. Poi bhaji gives cook-up a good flavor. Let me have a taste of this nice cook-up. Guyana style cook-up rice, or you can say all-in-one, or bush cook, right? Look at this. Wow, delicious. Delicious cook-up. Wow. What a delicious cook-up. Well cooked. Seasoning perfect. Everything was perfect. And fried chicken. So the cook-up was perfect, cooked well, seasoning was perfect, everything was perfect, and it's very tasty, delicious. I love it. And this is the Outside World Entertainment, the Shaker and Davy cooking channel. Give us a thumbs up, share this video, and if you did not subscribe us yet, please do so immediately. And we will see you all on our next show. Thank you very much, and you all have a nice day. Bye.